Welcome to Security Spotlight. Today we're unpacking CVE 2010-1028, a decade-old but educational vulnerability in Mozilla's Web Open Fonts format decoder that allowed remote code execution via a crafted WOFF file. We'll cover how it works, the products affected, and the patches that finally put it to rest. CVE 2010-1028 impacts the WOFF font decoder, built into Mozilla Firefox 3.6 before 3.6.2 and 3.7 before 3.7 Alpha 3. Beyond Firefox, font conversion libraries like SFNT2 WOFF Zopfli in Linux distributions, Fedora 41 and 42 notably, also receive security updates to mitigate any downstream risks. This is an integer overflow vulnerability that occurs during decompression of a WOFF container. The overflow leads to a buffer overflow, giving an attacker the ability to inject and execute arbitrary code on the victim's machine. At its core, the WOFF decoder miscalculates the size needed to decompress font data. An attacker crafts a malicious WOFF file that triggers an integer overflow, causing the decoder to allocate insufficient memory. When the decompression engine writes beyond the buffer boundary, it overwrites critical memory structures. Security researchers demonstrated exploitation using the vulndisco 9.0 VDF module, achieving remote code execution in unpatched Firefox browsers. While CVE 2010-1028 was addressed in 2010 with Firefox 3.6.2 and later releases, it highlights the lasting impact of integer overflow bugs in multimedia parsers. Modern users should always run current browser versions and keep system libraries like Fedora's SFNT2 WOFF Zopfli up to date to guard against any lingering or related flaws.